Spalding Clarendon female resident charged with multi-million-dollar break-in offences. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 27-year-old Kimon Lisset, otherwise called Kim, of Reaches District, Spalding, Clarendon, has been charged with breaking and larceny, simple larceny, and driving away a motor vehicle without the owner's consent, following an incident in Charity Hill District, Clarendon on Wednesday, May 1st, 2024. Reports on the Clarendon police are that between the hours of 2 p.m. and 8 p.m., the complainant securely locked up his Axio motor car in his premises and left for the airport. A caretaker for the premises later discovered that the vehicle was missing. He reported the matter to the police, and while doing so, he received information that the car had been seen in another area of Clarendon. Acting on that information, the police accompanied the caretaker to the location where the vehicle was identified and it was recovered. On the complainant's return, he attended the police station and identified the car. It was further reported that money and equipment belonging to the owner of the car, which had been stored in the vehicle, had been stolen. The stolen item reportedly include 1.183 million Jamaican dollars and US 209,190 US. Audio and video footage that were discovered from a dashcam memory card inside the motor vehicle reportedly revealed a voice of a female instructing a man on how to disable the alarm system inside the motor vehicle. The now accused woman was later identified by the complainant and subsequently arrested and charged. Her court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.